Do you want to know how to enable or disable adaptive brightness on your Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: turn on or off adaptive brightness on your Echo Show. Adaptive brightness on your Echo Show automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient light in the room. This feature ensures that the display is neither too bright nor too dim, providing a comfortable viewing experience in different lighting conditions. You can use your Echo Show's on-screen settings to turn adaptive brightness on or off. To do so, say Go to Settings or swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Select the display option. Use the switch to turn adaptive brightness on or off. And there you have it, the method to turn on or off adaptive brightness on your Amazon Echo Show. We hope the method has worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.